Diet for cancer stage 3 and stage 4. What food should be taken? Here I am explaining on uncooked food. Instead of saying uncooked food, we can say monkey diet. And here many people are having apprehension. Can we sustain? And many people are saying that when the person is having chemo, one should not consume uncooked diet. As far as my view is concerned, once you properly leach, you can consume. Now, what food has to be taken? One time prebiotic has to be consumed. That is garlic, 2 to 3 small pieces, ginger about half a centimeter sliced one, and soaked fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon to half a teaspoon. And also banana stem juice twice a day if it is available. Flax strings 3 times a day one has to take, morning, afternoon and evening. And this flax strings having enormous omega 3 and omega 6 essential fatty acids, and this will help in regulating the cellular metabolic activity and the cellular respiratory system. And also it's having high amount of lignans. Basically this is a Dr. Johanna Budwig theory, and this flax diet will act like a chemo to the cancer patients. And she has done the research on this for about 45 years. And this flax diet, one glass is equivalent to 100 kg peanuts value in terms of lignans, omega 3 and omega 6. Vegetable juice twice a day has to be consumed, and it will also supplement for maintaining the cholesterol level and also thinning of the blood. It also adds a rich nutritional value to the diet. Dry fruits, 2 times coconut milk, 2 times coconut oil, 1 tablespoon each time, that is a 15 gram after breakfast and after dinner. Now, super salad any number of times can be taken. It has to be properly garnished with the dry fruits and all. And also spice drink, whenever there is a cough, fever, etc., spice drinks will take care.